My name is Megan Ewoldsen. I'm a 32-year-old busy mama of 3. I have been a coach with Beachbody for the last 6 years. It's what I do full time. And I was chosen to be in the Transform 20 test group. And my Transform 20 transformation story is a little bit different than the incredible weight loss stories in the group. I went into the program not having weight to lose. I went into the program feeling pretty skeptical. I was kind of like, how in the world is 20 minutes going to help me maintain what I have worked so hard for, doing 30, 45 minutes, sometimes 60-minute workouts, and being kind of a cardio and endurance junkie myself. I did not think that 20 minutes was going to push me and challenge me. I was definitely wrong. Shanti absolutely kicked my butt, and he kicked my butt the entire 6 weeks. I mean, there wasn't one workout where I didn't finish just drenched in sweat. Being somebody that struggles with knee and hip issues, I was a little scared of the step. I thought, it was gonna cause me pain or I was gonna get hurt, but using the step actually helped build strength in areas that, I had weakness in for so long. It really helped me target those stabilizer muscles in my legs and my glutes, and I just feel so much stronger than before. It's really incredible what adding something as simple as a step will do for your intensity and your progress. I would have to say my favorite part is that it's only 20 minutes, and like I said, I'm a busy mom of 3. I am running back and forth from dance practice, soccer practice, gymnastics, picking up kids from school, going to my dance practice. We are just busy, and I could literally get back from my dance practice at 3 o'clock, pick up my son on the way, come home, work out, and be at the bus stop by 3:45. It's like every mom's dream workout program. As far as nutrition goes, throughout the 6 weeks, I was following the 2B mindset principles, eating lots of veggies, lots of protein, drinking tons of water, because let me tell you, you're gonna be sweating a lot, even though it's only 20 minutes. Don't let that fool you. And Shakeology daily, every day as a meal replacement. I have it for breakfast. It's easy, it's brainless, it's quick. Like I said, busy mom. It gives me all the nutrition I need to operate at peak performance, help me maintain my results. And I haven't missed a day for the last 6 years, and I'm not stopping anytime soon. It's an incredible supplement. And also, I could not have done this program without my lifeline, Energize from Beachbody's performance line. It is the most amazing pre-workout. It tastes delicious. It gives you that little tingly feeling, and just gives me that little extra pep in my step, so I'm feeling motivated to crank out a really intense workout like the ones at T20. I just feel super happy that now I have a option where I can work out 20 minutes a day. It's challenging, it pushes me not only physically but mentally, and I have this amazing tool now to help me maintain my results. And now, being in phase 2 of the test group, we're adding in the weighted workouts, and I just feel freaking amazing. I am seeing lean muscle in places I haven't seen it before. I have noticed a stronger core, stronger glutes, which is awesome because who doesn't want a nice booty? And it was truly incredible. And if I could say anything to Shanti right now, I'm sorry for doubting you. You definitely made me find my life. It's a tough program, but it's so worth it, and it's life-changing. Shanti is so motivating and uplifting, and he really connects with you, mid-workout, and it just helps you push harder and makes you feel more confident. And I know you guys are going to love this program. It's easily my favorite program from Beachbody to date. So jump on board, transform your life.
We got work to do.